What is it that you want to say? Like, tell me what you want to say, and then I'll tell you if it's the right thing.
Brown baller, take one. Action. That's a wrap.
She's back, she's beat. She's back, she's beat. She's back, she's beat. She's beat. Looks good, she looks fire, praise God. This hair is giving me like, let me just go clean real quick, babe. What you want me to do? Like, I've been in the house all day, I'm tired, I'm sick, I don't feel good. Like, what are you talking about? I've been seeing this style. It's actually an old style, but of course your girl is a late trender. I don't really like to hop on trends when they come, so it's whatever. I like to do it in my own time. I'm gonna put it on the screen, and I just really want to do it. Yes. Come on, Scalpiana. Scalpiana is giving. Let's talk about this wig a little bit while I'm doing my hair, because I have no idea what I'm doing if I'm being. Let's brainstorm real quick. It's called DiamondXO Hair Boutique. It is actually a Canadian boutique. Shout out to the Canadians. Okay, that's cute. Actually was connected via a friend of a friend. Pretty much. I wanted to try it out and now we're here. This is gonna be enough. Hopefully the tracks don't show like in the back, because that would not be cute. So far, the hair is pretty fire. The hair is very soft. As I was saying in the video, this hair is like ready to go. Fresh out the package when she ships you the wig, it's ready to put on your head. All you have to do is cut off the lace. So I definitely can appreciate that. This is a 20-inch wig, which is very out of the norm for me. I love like long hair, and I love like super duper thick hair too. So this density is definitely giving a natural density. It's definitely, I would say that it's not 150, but I definitely wouldn't say that it's 182. Oh, come on, because I just turned into another person. Okay, she's blending. It's definitely a natural density for a person who doesn't do the most. I'm not that person. So I would have loved if it was just a little bit thicker, but overall, I can say like first impressions, I'm kind of feeling this hair. And I can appreciate the fact that this is a company that only works with HD lace. She has her own products too. Like I was using in the video earlier, I used her glue, I used her lace remover, I used the foam lotion. She also has a hot comb, which I'm gonna use in a second. Here it is, of course it's pink. And she also has this wax stick that I'm using so that you guys can get the full monte of what this company is and how she is really slaying in Canada. But like, I really wanted to try this hairstyle. Yes, sleek. Come on, sleek mommy vibes. I just had to get some separation, but now that I got it, cooperate, baby, cooperate. I guess the natural state of the wig is like a loose body wave. When I first got it, you guys see before I straightened it, it was like pretty wavy, which I definitely like that. So far, like, I'm pretty impressed. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't know what to expect. I'm being honest. But I'm very, very, very impressed so far. The quality, the overall so far, I'm impressed with. Like I said, this is a very ready to go wig, very beginner friendly, I would say. All I literally did was put foundation on the lace and literally cut the lace, and everything else was done for me. Y'all know I don't know how to do baby hairs. Y'all know this is not the baby hair channel. The baby hairs were done for me, baby. They were done for me already. And like, look at them. Like, I could have never done this. Look at that. I could have never done that. The style that I'm doing is like 90s flip side part hairstyle. I think I need some bobby pins. Lit. I like my swoops to be a little bit dramatic. So I'm gonna bring this hair all the way around to the back. And then I'm gonna pin it back here. I'm gonna bring all the hair to the front because even though the jagged edge is cute, I just want everything to be uniform. I'm gonna give her just an even chop. Nothing too crazy. I'm just chopping off so that it's even. Like that. And do the same thing to the other side. I don't know if that's even or not. What do y'all think? We'll go with it today. This hairstyle actually requires a flip of some sort. This might turn out to be a curl. Ooh. Okay, it was a something. So I'm literally just going to do the rest of the hair just like that. Honey. What is it that you want to say? Like, tell me what you want to say, and then I'll tell you if it's the right thing. Honestly, my ponytail is a little to the left side of my head, but we're gonna just move past that. No one knows but you and me, so we're just gonna keep it a secret. I don't know about you, but like, I'm ready for the new year. Like, this right here is just further letting me know that I'm ready. She's ready. Do y'all love this hair or not? Because I love it. Because what lace? Melt all the way. So far, I have nothing but good things to say about this hair. Like, it takes a curl well, it straightens well, it's very soft. I did get some shedding while I was styling it, but I don't know if that was like from her plucking it, customizing it and stuff. The knots did come bleached. Like, the wig was customized. Like I said, the wig came out of the package ready to put on your head. All you have to do was cut off the lace. So far, I give this wig a 9 out of 10. The only reason I don't give it a 10 out of 10 is because me personally, I would just like a little bit more oomph, like the va-va-voom. Like, I just need the body yada yada, like the thickness, the density. But for a beginner, this is the perfect wig, like the easiest wig that you could ever think of, that you could ever imagine. This is her. I definitely would recommend you purchasing this wig. Now, this wig is a little bit on the pricier side. You guys know I'm all about beauty on a budget, but I definitely think that you get exactly what you pay for with this. Plus, it's the holiday. There are definitely some holiday sales going on, so make sure you guys check it out. I will leave all of her information, Instagram, the website, all that stuff down in the description box below. Make sure you guys check out this hair, and all the details for this hair will definitely be down in the description box. I'm gonna go sit on my couch. Like, it's almost New Year's. Let me know if you like this video and this style. Give this video a big thumbs up. comment down below any comments, questions, or concerns, and I will see you guys on the next one. Happy New Year. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. I'll give you a kiss. Mwah.